So yeah, lo prophet lo like yilaba bathandaza like emfuleni angisho because emuva kithi kunomfula.
Okay.
So bekadlula lapho avele waza kumama wathi oh khona umntwana wakho ewane ongakwazi ukulala yabo. Kumele umsize before like ahlanya or azibulala yabo. And then my mom knew ukuthi yimi vele because nge-first born yakhe. Yabo, so like wangifonela that time I was staying with Ujina. And Ujina would tell me ukuthi oh one when you are sleeping yabo uyamemeza and now angithusa yabo. Like Gina, I don't know what's going on yabo. So mom like she gave me a call and she was crying yabo ukuthi what's going on? Yabo. Yeah. And then I'm just like when I'm sleepless nights yabo. Sometimes like I dream about weird things and I feel like ngamtshela nje mama and she was like yo vele khona umama womprofethi bekadlula yabo wakhuluma nami yabo. So we need to get a help for you yabo. So we totally help nomama kumprofethi. Then prophet wangitshela ukuthi like I slept with someone bekaphuma ejail. And then lo muntu lo waya kusangoma. Sangoma samtshela ukuthi you have to sleep with anyone, a prostitute, a sex work, anyone. That thing is owela kuye. Which wathola mina.
No way.
So konke lokho bebakenze ejail, lokho bekakuzeli rape, killing nje. Hence I was feeling that.
No wonder you felt like you had killed someone. Like
yes.
There was just a heaviness.
I couldn't sleep. And ngakwazi ukulala ejail. So kuze kimi manje.
Oh my
Babamgeza sangoma inyanga le bakaye kuyo.
How do you think that's transferred if you are using protection?
Even if you are not using one, soul ties are my soul ties. Even if like you are not a sex worker now, or you have a girlfriend like now before you sleep with someone, kunama soul ties.
Yeah, bon.
You need to cleanse anyone.
So you call it what? Soul ties.
Soul ties.
So what you're saying is that regardless of condom or shayas or not, that energy is still transferable.
Sex is sex, boy.
Yes, that's insane.
I like the fact that you pray. What does the
when I pray
a
to
sex
God,
worker's prayer sound like?
No, yes.
No, like I've always wanted to know.
Golo, thank you for this take I'm about to receive.
I'm always like, yeah, you know what I mean? Like, give us our daily come and forgive those who didn't pay us as we fuck others who are gonna pay us. Amen.
Give us this daily.
Amen. Or four, if the price is good. Fuck. They're gonna come for us for that. Why? They have tandas and own a house. But I'm really and it's not. I've always been curious, even about like one day we're gonna have an assassin, and I'm gonna ask him the same question because it's fascinating. Because as Christians, God is for us all. God forgives, so it is good and it's right for you to pray. But what do you say when you're with God and you're from or about to go to work?
No, ngiyasho ukuthi God, lento engiyenza angiyazi and I know what I'm going to sin. Please forgive me. You know God ukuthi why ngiyenza lento le. And angifuni ukuyenza until ngife. Mase ngifike la ekugcineni khona ngizoyeka. I'm not doing it for social media or for me to be a slave queen. No, I have a family to take care of.
You have a bottom line, yeah.
Yes.
That's honest.
Are you Christian or
I'm a Christian?
And then ancestors and whatnot?
No, I don't believe on ancestors.
Fascinating. Hey.
You wanna go tell Jesus?
So explain to me, right? Here you are, you grew up in a good family.
Yes.
Parents took care of you. You were not a problem child.
No.
Comes matric, you're still a virgin. You break your virginity. You met this Jollof guy. And then it sounds like yeah. What happened?
Yeah, I was a good child. I used to be a tomboy. As a mom, even about my kid, they never complain about one. I was just right. I've never smoked or drink alcohol. A Rosebank, Abraham. That's when I met my Nigerian man. And then one fundisi mali. And I was like, oh.
When you say one fundisi mali, what does that mean?
Like, he used to give me like 300 at that time. I thought it's like a lot of money,
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Was it a boyfriend or?
I mean, I took him first. I took him as my boyfriend, but he was married.
How did you meet him?
I was crossing the streets and then he was driving like a Mercedes Layak Dala. Like my funeral, so.
You feel me?
Yeah.
Funerals.
That time I was like, yo, I met nje indodeni emali lapha.
When's I from that day?
Abengiphume esikolweni.
Okay.
So he recruited you basically.
So like waphasa amanamba wami kubhuti bakhe and I was in ke.
So he's like, come into my car. Did you get into the car the same day or like?
First I was scared, but I did. I won't lie.
So when you get in the car, nothing happens, right?
No, nje bengitshela ukuthi you are pretty. I want to take good care of you. I want you to. That time bengazi nesilungu. Bengingeza nje yo. It was bad nje. Kodwa nje ngathatheka.
And then that's when he gives you the 300 that same day.
Yes.
For
like,
nothing.
Nothing. And I was like, yo, ngiyabuyela laphaya.
So you call him now?
No, he called me. Are you home? I said, yeah, I'm home safe. Yeah, well, it's okay. We should see tomorrow. That's okay. Same time, same place.
And then what transpires after that?
Yeah, we had sex. And then, he'll give me a 300, 500 rand.
After the sex or?
Oh, after that, like, waphuma kimi. Waniki number yakho kumngani wakhe, I didn't know ukuthi umngani wakhe. And that's how it happened.
So another friend now started calling you for the same thing and giving you money.
Yes.
Oh,
so ngajwayela ukuthi
after sex, we are pure something.
Yes.
Oh wow.
So
and then ngabona ukuthi amajolof ngaphi isikolo. I have to choose one, which I chose about jollof.
Did he break your virginity?
Yes.
Wow.
Imagine, like,
was it a good experience for you?
Yeah, bekumnandi. They give good sex. They know.
Yes, I Peduka.
When you meet a guy, right? Let's say angwazi ukuthi ubani, you know, but obviously you're a sex worker, but mina ngizokushela njenge-out, right? Do you tell them what you do, or would you still date them, but back at the ranch, you're still taking cash for sex?
Sometimes I hide ukuthi I'm a sex worker or ngihide past yami. But eventually, post someone tell ukuthi, yo, you calling this girl your girlfriend while like her pussies everywhere is on the internet. And then the guy will ask me, "One, is it true?" And then I'll be like, yeah. And then oyang lash. But now that I'm on TV, like if you come to my life, you know what's one do bad. I don't need to explain myself. But I remember him very well. But saying Pumilogo hangindandaba, minangisfuneli mali.
Oh, one day.
My emotions. Yo, ngavela ngaphuma again. I wasn't hurt at all. Ngena deep inside ke kubojolof.
Tell me something, right? When like a sex worker has sex, do you guys block out the experience or do you enjoy the sex?
I enjoy the sex. I love sex so much.
Jeez, man.
Yo, all the strokes. Daily. Even now,
so you're not the type of person who needs to be connected. Like I need to have chilled with you, and now I understand we see a connector.
Even Max, now we can have it
anytime. Okay. Was really
I need to connect with you now, Manjinje. Konala, yes.
You can subscribe.
Oh my God.
I want to understand what's the difference between Jollof niggas and SA niggas, because Jollof niggas are all our girls.
They have the money. They know how to treat a girl so fine. They will give you the soft life. You don't need to work. You guys were saying, into Mazana me to halfway 50-50 with nature. No, it's like everything in the house. And then you just be a stay-home girlfriend and take off the kids or a wife.
Most you've made in a night?
I slept with 2 niggas. It was 50K.
Each?
No.
25.
Yes.
Damn.
And I was in Pumalanga.
Was it at the same time together or just separate?
Same time.
Whoa.
Yeah, bro.
So that was a threesome.
And I was pimped.
You were pimped. But you knew, right?
Yeah, I knew. I didn't know I would get 50K. She said to me, one bazog nigga 20K. Yeah, but and if about guy by 10 back phone, I need to charge them each. Yeah, but so it happened after about guy by 2 lap, and there were a lot of niggas and there were a lot of girls. So I'm after about guy by 2. And I was in the same room with them.
Is there a
I
nigga
was
that
just
you've...
sucking 2 dicks.
Ne? Like on adulting? Who's that?
Oh, yes. Who Kitty?
Kitty.
She's the MEC.
Let me ask you this. What's the most dangerous situation you've been in?
I know people that think I'm like, I'm not.
What happened?
I went to Waterfall next to Mall of Africa. You know those nice houses there.
Yeah.
When I get there, the guy was like, oh, he offered me, keep on offering me alcohol, like, drink one. Do you smoke weed? About in. And then I need to wonder, why are you not drinking? About, no, I'm not going to drink, but just drink. I want you to have fun. I want you to give it all to me. About. And it was time to sleep now. And then he showed me a room to sleep alone. I was like, why am I sleeping alone? Because I came here to fuck you and you give me my money in the morning. And I was like, no, we can't fuck, you know, but I have someone who can fuck you. I was like, who is the someone? He's like, no, you're gonna see that someone, but just wanna get in the room, be naked, and just sleep. Oh, okay. I mean, I thought it's a brother, maybe.
Yeah.
Or a friend. And then I get in and then I don't know if I was dreaming or what, but I saw a snake wanting to sleep with me. And like I quickly ran off. I was like, no, I can't sleep with the snake. Like, no. No, I can't do this. And he was like, okay, take your things and go back home. I'm not gonna give you money to go back. I was like, no, it's okay. And
describe a snake. Was it a snake as we know it? What size was it? I've always been fascinated by snake keepers.
It was a small snake. It was not a giant. It's a small snake, a black snake, and normal.
So what was it gonna do?
I don't know, because I was like, no.
Oh my goodness.
You're kidding, right?
No, I'm not. I swear to God.
How did you...
Yeah.
So what happened with you and Colin Feg? Why you guys don't get along?
People think I'm obsessed with her, but I know people like need answers.
Yeah, and we're asking you. You didn't bring her up. We're asking you.
Yeah. Hey. I don't know where to start, but we were shooting season 1. And then we fought. And then I told her, it's okay, since we're not...
What did you guys fight about?
Because, like, I felt like I was a group to her. I'm a friend. She never took me as a friend. I'll be the one posting her, you know, talking good about her. And I should never do that.
Did you watch
the episode? I won.
Did you watch the episode we did with her?
Yes, I did.
Did
she
you like
never
it?
mentioned my name.
Oh,
you guys were already...
See me now, I'm mentioning her name.
Ah.
And now she was like, and
you guys were already...
Like, even with this Shomex thing, she never plugged me. I'm the one who told her. She knows. Because there's a show about they need I'm a porn star, strippers, I'm a sex workers about. Then she was like, oh, I want to go for it. About. So I mean, when I was going there to tell them what I'll be bringing on the table, I saw her. I was like, and then she was like, she knows. I-makeup artist production. I-production nami ifuna ukushootha i-show this body works for me and I think you're a right fit for it. I was like, oh, and then ngasho uxola imfeke yabo. Kanti already yena sebamtshelile uyayazi. And then people were like, uxola imfeke ukubuild. I was like, where? When I shot a porn with Naye and I was still staying at Katlo home, ngilale esponchini with like nothing. Nje abantu bebangazi, it's honey man. Did you know me? No, you know me after the show, right? Yes, people were busy saying, she is big. I won't lie, she is. People like knew her before the show. I mean, bangazi after the show. People should not laugh. They should like not lie. They should give the flowers to the production.
Because you were the star of the show.
Yeah,
you were the star.
And then I'm not the star of the show. I am the star of the show.
You were.
No, you are.
That's why you're here.
Yes,
and nobody
I'm the star
else.
of the show. People are saying to me, "Oh, Wendy, the same people that made you the star of the show is the same people that would destroy you." How? Because Nababang Letang on the show, they will destroy me. How? So I shouldn't agree to people when they call me I'm the star of the show. No, I'm not the star of the show. If people are saying I'm the star of the show, I will say, yeah, I am. But I didn't know I would get love. I mean, I thought like people would shame me and hate me. I was shocked when I got love. And I fought Colin Fega before the show Ipuma. And then now she was like, I made you. You made me because I'm now on the show. I'm bigger than you. Now you're saying to people, I made you. People who should say, I made you. About the Maporisa, Tobom Lindo.
Maporisa made you?
No, I'm just making an example. People who like should say, like, like, I made you. But then she doesn't have a right to say that.
Why would Mlinda have the right to say
No,
that?
she's saying...
Like, I'm making example.
If
Which
Oli
example?
was Pori, she's not her Mlindo.
Yes, like kanjalo. That's what I'm just
Yes. Okay. I get you.
Production made me, and I'm always grateful to those people. They made me. Hence, I'm here. It's because of the production. It's because of this body works for me. It's because of Jafta that I'm here.
Shout out to Jafta. He's the production guy.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm friends with Colin Fager. They were shocked with how one you are friends with. I'm shocked people when I keep on saying, "Why do we know you because of here Mkosiam?" Why would Mark Jibangangas because of Colin Fager? How people like the guy the bang biza la. Bang biza after the show, season 1.
Thank God.
Yes.
Because we liked you.
Exactly. Yeah,
Can I be honest, like about OnlyFans earnings? I feel like a lot of girls aren't honest, and you're so real. Like, I know prices vary or incomes vary, but how much at your prime, as like you're very famous, right? Or even before the show, how much do girls make on that platform?
The highest money I request OnlyFans was 23K. Before, like, anytime maybe I get 3K, I request 4K, 8K, 10K. But the highest is 23K.
And that was not like on a monthly basis,
No,
regular.
anytime. Because of Ibete says, so I wanted like to spoil myself. Hence, I clean and so it's 23K and then I request.
Speaking about requests, we've got a request for you.
Okay.
So our nigga here, the sound guy Simpio, he almost died 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
So he hasn't released since.
Oh.
Yeah. So how much would it cost for you to give him a blowjob now?
Oh, Imala's on Kokala and make me a blowjob now.
Yeah.
Man, 1.5 ngamnika manje.
See on. So 1.5 is a Kokela, but it can't be on camera because obviously, but you guys can go in that room there, and then you guys will take the microphone. Ufuni 1.5 manjo or after?
No manje.
Let me log in. Mari South African, so you don't have to worry about a thing.
Yeah, well, click that.
Okay, can I e-wallet?
2 minutes.
Okay, let me e-wallet.
Oh, thank you.
Don't worry. Super. We support black businesses.
Oh my God.
Let me go to...
Wendy, before you go to work, I heard the story about you, no Davido. Is this true?
Hey.
That he paid you $200. What happened? How true is this?
You go down with me if bang suala.
Is it true?
Yeah, God, it's true.
Davido.
So you hooked up with Davido?
Yo, Nkosiyami, ngiyasaba lezi. But yeah, it's true, Gona. Now he knows deep down, good. I fucked one.
So he came up to you. Did he buy or was he like macking and stuff?
I don't know if, because I must have it's the...
But he only gave you $200.
Yes. It's not him who gave me. It's, I think I'm a security work. Or people are working with him, like, because he's high.
This is afterwards, after you guys were together or before?
After. Yes. And ngamthole konka.
How far? When was
Damn, it's recent, most Conquers.
It was... 2011.
Not
2011. 2021.
Oh, that's not
2 years ago.
Send it.
Is he packing? Is he packing?
But I was screaming on him, and Namla let Tafle Bengul Benzo hook up and a look after here. And I was screaming because Tafle Bel Pam go stage, and I was just screaming on him. Then he keep on looking at me, and then I will do like blow kiss, and then and then look at my security work, because I'm
Yeah.
What's hip secrets? Fetch that girl.
Wow.
Secrets lang born. Then after one land secrets one bamba so and lapo being pres go soft. I mean, that was I'm gonna share konka. Ngahamba lapha kugcwele kungaka lapha kucrowd bamba ngithi secrets link bamba kanje ngesandla. Mangifika lapho umngani wakhe What's give me? Did you come here with friends? I said, yeah, I did. But fetch your friends. Yo, if I fetch my friends, I won't come back here again. I said, no, go with the security. Ngahamba nje, ngafika nje ngadonsa abangani bami bonke. Sahamba nje kanjalo.
I'm saying
my friends knows.
Is he packing?
Njani?
Like, does he have a big dick?
Yeah, in my peanuts. Imnandi yo.
Inuka ma peanuts?
What's that?
No, like the dick, ngathi nama peanuts. So, like lunch bar. You see like lunch bar, yabo.
What do you mean? No, fact checker says, "Oh, I see." What? Whoa!
And he made me like suck the dick, yo, and he keep on saying, "Vomit." Oh, cause a dick, yo. You figure
Ati vomit?
Yeah, vomit. And I thought the good sabo la. Exen mangvuka. Mama ngiyomthengela indlu nemoto.
$200.
Did he? What else did he do? What else did you do?
Yeah, I remember 1.5.
And without... Huh?
Funny number.
Nah.
Thank you. Give me a number. Yeah, I said, must I send it to this number?
Please.
This one?
Yes.
Okay.